Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's some people who have been asking, how do you run Sudeki? Hopefully you still have your own copy because I have found a way to run it up on Windows 8. Now if you've managed to find it on Windows 7, well, guess what, it's practically the same thing, but I am not endorsing in any way that you gain a hacked copy of this game. And in fact, I have the disc inside when I run the game, so I think that's the only reason it actually works. But due to the compatibility issues, it also has to you have to pretty much kind of hack your way through this. So what you're going to want to do is go to game copy world. You're going to want to go to game copy world. And you're going to want to look for Sudeki. What you're going to do after this is scroll down. Come on. Alright, you're going to want to scroll down, go to File, Archive, Unprotected.exe. The note will say that it's from an unprotected Russian version of the game, but don't worry about that. Make sure you save the file. And then what you're going to want to do is go to your CD of Sudeki, open it up, and you're going to want to extract both these cab files. Alright, after you do that, it's gonna just extract them to a folder you call Sudeki. You know, what you're gonna want to do is bring them into a folder, and here's one right here, similar like this. Okay, what you want to also do is go back to the internet, and then you're gonna want to look up sudeki.bat file. Alright, there's let me see where it is. Here it is. It's gotta be this one. Come on, load. Okay, here we are. Here we are. There it is. This is Tech Arena. You're gonna want to go to Tech Arena, and then there's a file here called sudeki.zip. It's gonna have an installer bat file. That is what you're gonna need to fix the cab file, the compatibility issue. Alright, that's all for the internet. Aside from yeah, that's it. Now what you're going to want to do is have either WinRAR or Win7, something like that. 7-zip, my bad. Yes, there we go, 7-zip. You're going to want to extract everything in these. So what you're going to, preferably with WinRAR, because this one's like the easiest, install it, open up sudeki.cab, then highlight everything at the bottom. Everything from this first file all the way to the bottom, highlight it all, extract them all into a folder that has the bat file. You're going to want to take this bat file and put it into a new folder as well. Once you do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to edit this. You can open it with Notepad. On these, it'll give you like a %1. It'll create a directory called %1, most likely. But what you're gonna want to do is change these to Sudeki, and just use the find tool. Then the find and replace. My bad. Use use the replace tool. Find %1. Replace it with Sudeki. This will all create. This whole batch file will move a shitload of files into a new folder that it will create called Sudeki. That way, everything is in here. What you're gonna want to do after that is open up the folder that you took from that website. Where is it? Download. There it is. What you're going to want to do is get the correct installer. Here it is. Take both of these. Close that. You're going to get the warning after a while if you don't uninstall it. Take both of those, and then you're going to want to copy them into this Sudeki folder. Overwrite sudeki.exe with the one that is in the unprotected version, and also overwrites the data items. Now what you're gonna want to do to immediately have this working is you're gonna want to go to properties, go to compatibility, and even though this game was designed to run on XP on 2000, you're gonna want to use 98 Windows Me. This will definitely keep you from crashing after the developers' little movies on the intro. Now hopefully this thing won't crash on me, or at least records it so I can show you. Run it, and voila. Hopefully this is recording. If not, I'll probably cut it out. Just skip through all the intro movies. And wait for it. It fucking works. Yeah, there's only one issue. When you first start it off, there will be like a lag, hang time, infinite loading on occasions. It might be just the first time. It might not be. But all you have to do is whoops, you can't even hear me. Quit the title screen. All you're gonna have to do. Damn it! Now you might run into an issue where it actually has an infinite loading screen. So what you're gonna want to do is hit Control-Alt-Delete. It'll bring you down. Just go back to the game, let it start up, continue where it left off, and it should load just fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you. To anyone who has bought this gem of a game, this is just such an amazing game. I recommend it to anyone who has a PC to just take the time to get their own copy. It's just an amazing game. This game requires a remake.